If you're managing social media content and looking for tools that can make your life a lot easier, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into two powerful automation platforms, Publer and Repurpose.io. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the right fit for your workflow. And here's the best part. You can try both tools for free using my special link in the description below. Just click it to get started. So first, what exactly do these tools do? Repurpose.io is all about content repurposing. You upload once and it automatically turns your podcast, video, or audio content into multiple posts tailored for different platforms. You can connect YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more, and set up automation workflows that handle everything for you. On the other hand, Publer focuses on scheduling and publishing. It lets you plan out your social media calendar, create posts for multiple platforms at once, and even design and recycle evergreen content. It's clean, efficient, and has built-in collaboration features if you're working in a team. Let's talk about what it's like using each platform. Repurpose.io has a simple interface. Once you're logged in, you're taken to a dashboard where you create workflows. A workflow might take your new TikTok videos and automatically trim, format, and publish them to YouTube Shorts or Reels. You set it up once, and Repurpose runs it for you every time there's new content. Publer's dashboard feels more like a traditional social media manager. You get a calendar view where you can drag and drop posts. You can connect your social accounts, write your post once, and customize it slightly for each platform before hitting schedule. Let me quickly show you how Repurpose.io works. Step 1. Create your account. First, click the link in the description to go to the sign-up page. Once you're on the site, click the Start Free Trial button in the top right corner. A page will appear where you can sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email address, whatever's easiest for you. With the free trial, you'll get 14 days to use the platform. During that time, you can publish up to 10 videos or audios to your favorite social platforms, completely free. Once you're in, you'll land in the dashboard. And that's where the real magic starts. Let's move on to the setup. Step 2. Connect your social media platforms. From the dashboard, go to the Connections tab. Click Add a Connection and select your source, e.g., TikTok, Instagram, or a podcast feed. Then link your account. Then add your destinations like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, or Google Drive, and link your account again. You can connect multiple platforms at once. Step 3. Create your workflow. Now let's create your first automation. This is the key step that tells the platform where to grab your content from and where to send it. After connecting your social media platforms, click on Create Workflow. You'll be asked to choose a workflow type. For most people, start with Repurpose Future Content. This means anytime you upload new content, it'll automatically get published elsewhere within 2 hours. Next, choose your source platform. This is where your content is coming from, e.g., Instagram. Then choose your destination platform, where you want the content to be posted, e.g., YouTube. Once both are selected, click Create Workflow. Boom! You've just automated your first social media posting workflow. Use the content calendar inside Repurpose to schedule posts at the perfect time for each platform. Now let's walk through Publer step by step so you can really see how easy and powerful it is. First, use the link in the description to sign up. Once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. The first thing you need to do is connect your social media accounts. Click on the Social Accounts tab from the left-hand side, then click Connect Social Account. You can link all the major platforms: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, Google Business, and more. After connecting your accounts, go to the Create tab. This is where you write and design your social media posts. At the top, select the accounts where you want to publish. You can choose one account, multiple, or even create groups of platforms for future use. Next, start writing your caption. There's a smart preview panel that shows you how it will look on each platform. Below the text box, you'll see options to add photos, videos, GIFs, or links. If you want to customize the post for each platform, click the icon of the platform. This allows you to write a unique caption for Instagram, another one for Facebook, and so on. This is super helpful when hashtags or link formatting need to change. Publer also lets you schedule your first comment on Instagram or Facebook. Just scroll down and you'll find a box to add your first comment, which is great for hiding hashtags or adding additional CTAs. Repurpose.io offers a 14-day free trial with up to 10 free content publishes. After that, plans start at $35 a month for solo creators, 3 accounts, 5,000 posts a month, $79 a month for teams, 10 accounts, unlimited posts, $179 a month for agencies, 25 accounts, unlimited posts. You can see full details using the link in the description and save with annual billing if you prefer. Now let's delve into pricing plans for Publer. Free plan. This plan is perfect for individuals or small businesses starting out. It allows you to connect up to 3 social accounts, excluding Twitter, and schedule up to 10 posts per account. You can also save up to 25 drafts. While it offers limited features, it's a great way to get acquainted with Publer's interface and basic functionalities. Professional plan. Starting at $5 per month for 1 social account, this plan offers unlimited scheduling and drafts, access to the media library, bulk scheduling, and more. Additional social accounts can be added for $4 each per month, and additional team members for $2 each per month. This plan is ideal for freelancers or small teams looking to enhance their social media management. Business plan. Designed for growing businesses and agencies, this plan starts at $10 per month for 1 social account. It includes all features from the professional plan, plus advanced analytics reports, automatic post recycling, AI assist with unlimited prompts, and more. Additional social accounts are $7 each per month, and additional team members are $3 each per month. Enterprise plan. Tailored for large organizations, the Enterprise plan offers all features from the business plan, along with prioritized support, dedicated onboarding, unlimited daily posting, and early access to new features. Pricing for this plan is customized based on your specific needs. So which one is right for you? Use Repurpose.io if you create video or audio content and want it republished automatically, run a podcast or YouTube channel and want to appear on every platform without lifting a finger. Use Publer if you want full control over how and when content is posted, manage multiple brands or clients, need post customization, analytics, or team collaboration. Honestly, both are amazing tools, but for automation-heavy workflows, Repurpose is unbeatable. For manual scheduling with flexibility, Publer is a solid choice. So there you go. That's the complete breakdown of Publer versus Repurpose.io. Remember, you can try both tools totally free using my special links in the description. Give them a try and see which one works best for your content strategy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.